In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer PDF to another language like your PDF language English. You want to translate it Hindi, Tamil, and you want to translate it Hindi, Tamil, Bangla, Urdu, any language. You can translate your PDF file. So this is easy method. So first I open Google Chrome, then here are I must be going on Google Drive, then upload your PDF file on here. So I just click on new, then again click on new folder, or so I want to upload at my computer only. So this PDF file, okay, you can see it's already uploaded. So now click on this title. Now you can see this is a matrix open with Google Docs. Just click here. Now click on tool, then translate document. Now choose your targeted language. Example purpose I translate it. I want to translate it Hindi. Okay. Now click on translate. After 1 or 2 seconds, it's automatically convert to your targeted language. Wow, it's already changes. So now click on file. Again click on download. Then as a PDF document, just click download. It's already download to my computer. So this is a method how you can translate your PDF file to another language.